If you're looking to insert a text watermark to any of your documents in Microsoft Excel, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. So without further ado, let's dive in. So what we want to do is go up to Insert on our ribbon, tap on that, and we want to add a text box. You'll find it under the text over on the right hand side. Now once you've clicked on that, you will have the opportunity to create a text box. So what you want to do is click down and drag and create your actual text box. Now in here you can put in whatever you want as your watermark. Now once we're done, we're going to right click on it, and right at the bottom of this menu we have Format Text Effects and Format Shape. The first thing we want to do is click on Format Shape, and in the shape options we want to make sure that the fill and line is selected, and we want to click on No Fill. The next thing we want to do is go and close this, right click again onto your text box and tap on Format Text Effects. This will bring up these options. You want to click on the text fill and outline, and here you want to make sure that your transparency is between 70% or 80%. It really depends on what your document looks like and how you want it to be presented. You want to come down here to transparency, and you want to change the transparency all the way up to about 70%. Now, you can play around with this depending on what your document looks like, but 70% is a pretty good way of having a watermark. So from here, you want to close this, and on your ribbon again you want to click on Home, and you can now increase the text size. Let's say I want it about that size. We're going to now rotate this text box by clicking down on this arrow symbol at the top over here and rotating it accordingly. Once we are done and happy with the rotation, we're going to click on the line. It'll bring up this symbol and we can drag it over, and as you can see here, this is now over our document. Again, if you right click on it and you format text effects, you can go and click on that line and fill, and we can change the transparency. So if that's a bit too much, we can change it all the way up to 90%, and that kind of looks a little bit better. Just remember, you don't want to make your document unreadable. You just want the watermark politely in the background. If this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead, drop us a like. I will see you next time. Peace out.